Hey gang, hope you're all set for another episode of Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy.
Brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning.
We've been talking to homeowners about how to make better decisions for their heating and cooling systems all across this great country.
Now in this episode, we're going to show you how your current heating and cooling system may be training you to accept paying higher utility bills than necessary. Today we're going to meet Molly and Andy. Let's stop in and say hi.
Let's do that.
Thank you, thank you.
Hi Molly. Hey Andy.
Hi guys.
Hello. Wow, what a beautiful home you have.
It is lovely.
Thanks.
So how long have you lived here?
A little over 10 years now.
Have you guys done any home improvement upgrades?
A few. We decided to remodel both bathrooms. We added a sunroom off the living room, and we turned our basement into a game room for the kids.
Fun.
But they love that.
We also upgraded all the windows. Not only does it look better, it's more energy efficient. And Molly and I, we're big on saving money.
Yes, it's something we try to instill in our kids all the time.
Smart move. Now, have you made any other improvements with an eye on saving energy?
Well, we did replace the insulation in the attic.
Okay, well, what about your central heating and cooling system? Have you replaced or upgraded that as well?
No, that's been here since we moved in, and it's never given us any problems.
Well, just because something is running doesn't necessarily mean that it's working. So, in that sense, believe it or not, it actually has.
What do you mean?
Well, just over the past decade, the heating and cooling systems have made tremendous advances in energy efficient performance.
So that means the system you have now is probably less efficient than what you get with a new one.
Yes.
How much less?
Most likely a lot less.
Wow, we had no idea.
And those dollars, they really start to add up.
So how do you think we missed that?
Don't feel bad, it's an easy thing to miss.
You see, because decreased efficiency happens over a relatively long period of time, that gap between what you're spending to heat and cool your home and what you're saving can easily go unnoticed.
And before you know it,
Paying high utility bills has become a part of our life.
And monthly budget.
But don't worry, the good news is you can call your local Amana brand dealer and they can provide a more energy efficient system that will help extend your energy dollar.
no matter the season, year after year.
I think we have one more remodeling decision to make.
I think we made it.
I think we should get out of their hair.
Well, maybe her hair.
It was a pleasure. Thank you so much for having us. Okay, so one more home, two more smart homeowners.
So where does Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy take us next, Tim?
Wherever the road takes us, Olivia, wherever the road takes us.
So in other words, you have no idea.
Not a clue.